Next, we want to look at how we start creating an assessment by adding an assessment in MyOpenMath. I'm going to click the black arrow next to Module 1 to see everything that I have inside of Module 1. I've already created a demo assignment 1. We'll see why in a minute, but we're going to start this process from scratch by, underneath demo assignment 1, adding another assessment. We'll call this demo assignment 2. When we're in this assessment creation, we can add a summary, box of information, intro or instructions. That's information that would appear before the assignment starts. Scrolling down below that, we have the option to either hide or show this assignment by dates, and then set the due date. Since I've connected my course to Canvas, then it says the course setting is enabled for dates to be set via LTI, waiting for the LMS to send a date. What that means is all of our start and end dates for assignments will be controlled via Canvas. Canvas will send that information to MyOpenMath. If you're not connected to MyOpenMath, then you would need to set these if you're not connected to Canvas, you would need to set these start and end dates for your assignments. You also have the option to enable practice mode, which allows students to continue accessing an assignment after a due date for ungraded practice. Just up to you, but I like to keep that on because anything that has the potential for students to do more practice, generally a good thing. The next thing we want to start doing is looking at all of the options for our assignments below. We'll start covering that in a new video because there are a lot of different options to talk through. But one nice thing about MyOpenMath as a platform is once you've set up an assignment of a particular type, so say you've built one homework assignment, if you want to continue to apply those same settings to all of your other homework assignments, you get this copy options from dropdown. So if I already set up demo assignment 1 with all of the core options, additional display options, etc., that we're going to talk through in some future videos, I can set that up one time for a homework assignment, one time for a quiz, and then I can just come to this drop down and say, I want those exact same settings that I used on that previous assignment. And I won't have to go through and reconfigure all of these different settings. Then you have some options that you can also copy: the summary, intro instructions, start and end dates, and end of assignment messages, other things that you might have set up for that course or for that previous assignment as an option. And then you can go ahead and create your assessment. Once we click that Create Assessment button, we'll be taken to a page to start adding questions to our assignment. But we're going to pause, we're not going to move forward with that yet, and instead in the next few videos we're going to go back and talk about some of those additional settings and options that we can apply to our assessments.